In this tutorial, I will show you that how you can put two videos in one screen on CapCut. So let's dive right in. After opening CapCut, click on this new project. From here, you can select any video. I'm selecting this one and then click add. It will be added here. You can see that. Then at the bottom side, it will show you the sum of options. You have to scroll a little bit on the left side. Then you will find this aspect ratio option. Click here and then select TikTok ratio from here and drag your video in upper side like this. And you can also make its size larger by using your fingers on that screen and drag it like this. So that's the first video. Now to put second video in one screen on CapCut, what you can do is click on this overlay and again select add overlay. Select your second video and click add. Here it is. Now tap on this second video and drag it where you want. Here it is. You can adjust it with your fingers and let's play it. Here it is. And at last you can simply export it from this right top option and it will be saved to your gallery. So that's how you can put two videos in one screen on CapCut in just few easy steps.